I was actually traveling on the Silk Road as part of my Peace Caravan project in 2007 and 2008 on a journey through the Middle East when I got a very informative alert that Kashgar, the ancient city that's on the border of China and Pakistan, was now being bulldozed by the Chinese government to make room for a new economic zone. As I document via video and photography, it is my hope that we achieve understanding, respect, and acceptance and tolerance of these ancient traditions, and so we are all connected in this new way of finding peace.